According to the American Farm Bureau Federation, many of our consumers are 3 or more generations removed from the farm. And studies indicate that 65% or nearly 2/3 of our consumers haven't even been on a farm in the last 5 years. So education becomes critical. How do we go about the important task of providing the proper information to our consumers and policymakers as they then go about making their decisions? One way is through the Farmers Care Program at Michigan Farm Bureau.
An important component of the Farmers Care Program is County Farm Bureau Farmers Care Action Teams. And these action teams are put together of a variety of individuals, basically those individuals interested in helping educate others about this issue. Their activities are endless. They're basically directed at the County Farm Bureau level. They could be items like Ag in the Classroom, they could be a legislative tour. At some point or another, if legislative activity moves on this issue, it may be being in contact with their state legislators and educating them on the issue. We have displays available for County Farm Bureau use. We have brochures available. I'm more than willing to assist county farm bureaus in implementing an animal welfare, animal rights station into an existing Project Red and/or educational event. We're currently working on an Ag in the Classroom lesson plan that could be utilized in the classroom and/or non-traditional education areas that a county farm bureau may be educating in.